One of our goals at Inspired ADUs is to make design accessible to more people. We've created multiple product offerings in an effort to be able to reach more people, but understand that all these offerings may add a bit of confusion. Today, I'm going to give you an overview of plans, panels, and prefab ADUs, and why you might choose one over the other. Plans provide the greatest flexibility. If we've designed an ADU that's living well and repeatable, we put it into our catalog. This allows you to skip the custom design process and save time and money. If you like a plan but it's not quite right, you can simply modify that existing design. These two images show the same floor plan but modified for two different architectural styles, and the one on the bottom actually has been stretched to be longer to maximize the site. Custom plans are ideal for a specific architectural vision you might have, or a unique property like this one, with a unique geometry that will require a custom vision. This process is a traditional architectural experience where we start with a floor plan and many concepts and iterate until we get to massing models, exterior elevations, custom interiors. It gives you the complete custom experience. After we help you get your permit, custom designs will be built on site by either your contractor or one that we can recommend. Garage conversions fall under the custom design process, as each garage has a unique dimension, site condition, and opportunity. Panels are a hybrid between the plans offering and the prefab offering. We have collaborated with Prefab ADU for them to build the shell, which is the walls and envelope of the building, in segments in a factory. This option allows you to pick from different designs, but you cannot change the shape of the ADU or the window or door location. While the walls and roof are being built in the factory, the work can be conducted on site to connect your utilities and get your foundation ready. This building option also allows you to do slab-on-grade construction, which is a benefit if you are trying to design for aging in place and avoiding steps, one of our favorite things. Once the job site is ready, the panels are flat packed onto a truck and sent out to the job site. The panels can either just be the wood framing, or you can order a +1 kit, which is got the rough-in, plumbing, and electrical already laid out, as you can see here on the image on the left. Once the panels are assembled, either you as a DIY or your contractor can finish out the rest of the ADU to your liking. You can't change window and door locations or where the plumbing and electrical goes, but you can customize the finishes both inside and out. Prefab ADUs are built in a factory and then shipped completely done to the site on a truck. Prefab is the same thing as modular and is often confused with manufactured or mobile homes, which are built to a lower building code. Modular or prefab ADUs are built to the same standards that you would build if you were building in your backyard. The major advantage to prefab is the entire building is built in a factory, which eliminates any concern about weather and also minimizes the disruption and disturbance of your life and backyard. Modular construction is about choices and not changes. To make an efficient factory build, you don't have choices on alterations to the shell, the layout, the pieces, but you do have choices. We have designed our modular, we call her Millie, out of 3 different modules that can be clicked together, if you will, to create different sizes, shapes, and opportunities for your modular ADU. Before the modular leaves the factory, all pieces have been installed, from cabinets to appliances to tile, and it's ready to be installed in your yard. While the building in the factory has taken place, our team has been in your backyard putting in the foundation and utility connections in preparation for Millie's arrival. The biggest challenge for modulars and prefab is that they only work in 30% of the properties because of limited access. The modular units arrive on a semi and then need a crane that is set up about 40 by 40 feet to swing the modulars into the backyard. Access can be limited by narrow streets, large trees, but the number one reason we can't get an ADU in your backyard is power lines. The crane has to get under the power lines, have a 10-foot clearance area set up, and the modulars also have to be on that side of the power lines, which can really limit the options for modular installation. But fear not, if you can't have a modular, remember that you can switch over to one of our panel kits or one of our plan options so that you can find an inspired solution for your backyard. We hope this has been helpful in understanding what type of ADU is right for you, and we look forward to hearing from you.